Hello friends, welcome to Rainbow SSB Short Academy Rudrapur. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe it, and if you find this video useful, please like it and share it. Welcome to Know Your State from Rainbow SSB Short Academy Rudrapur. The second series of Know Your State is Haryana. Haryana is located in the northern part of our country. It was carved out of the former state of the East Punjab on November 1st, 1966. It is ranked 21st in terms of area with less than 1.4% of total India's land. And the total area of Haryana is 41,212 km square. The capital of the state, Haryana, is Chandigarh. Faridabad in National Capital Region is the most populous city of the state. Gurugram is a leading financial hub of the National Capital Region with major 500 companies located in it. Haryana has 6 administrative divisions, 22 districts, 150 cities and towns with 6,848 villages. Haryana has the 5th largest per capita income among Indian states. Faridabad has been described as 8th fastest growing city in the world and 3rd most in India by City Mayors Foundation survey. In services, Gurugram ranks number 1 in India in IT growth rate and existing technology and infrastructure, and number 2 in the startup ecosystem. Haryana has 7th highest ranking among Indian states in Human Development Index. Haryana's legislature is a unicameral body of having 90 seats and parliamentary constituency of about Rajya Sabha 5 seats and Lok Sabha of 10 seats. As per 2011 census of India, the total population of this place is approx 2.5 crores to 3 crores. It is also considered as 18th most populous state of India. The official languages of this state is Hindi and other languages as Punjabi, Haryanvi and English. The name Haryana is found in the 12th century AD by Apar Brahmasya writer. It has been derived from the Sanskrit word Hari, the Hindu god, the Vishnu, and Ayana, the home, meaning the abode of the god. That means the house of the gods. Haryana has the second largest Sikh population in India after Punjab. Haryanvi musical folk theatre are of 3 main types: Sangh, Ras Leela and Ragini. Haryanvi music takes 2 main forms: classical folk music and Desi folk music. Haryana is landlocked state in the northern India. The altitude of Haryana varies between 700 to 3,600 feet above the sea level. The highest peak point in Haryana is Karo Peak, a 4,813 feet tall mountain peak in the Shivalik Hill range of the Greater Himalaya, located near the Mohni Hills area of Panchkula district. Haryana has got 4 main geographical features. The first one is the Yamuna and Gagra plain, forming the largest part of the state. It is also called as Delhi Doab, consisting of Sutlej Gagra Doab, Gagra and Hakra and Yamuna Doab. Second, the lower Shivalik Hills to the northern east in the foothills of Himalaya. Third, the Bagra tract, semi-desert dry sand plain to the southwest. Fourth one is the Aravalli range in the south. Soil in Haryana is formed almost entirely of alluvium. The state has got the vast ground of moisture land where, except the floodplains of the Yamuna and the Gagra, the alluvial soil is one of the oldest type of soils, consists of clay and a bit more hard, popularly known as kavkars. The state flower of Haryana is lotus and the state tree, peepal tree. The climatic conditions in Haryana are extremely hot and extremely cold. The max temperature in Haryana hits in May and June, exceeding 43 degrees Celsius, and January, being the coldest month, may drop below the freezing point. Precipitation averages about 18 inches, that is about 450 millimeter, and it is mostly falling between July and September. Haryana is an agriculturally prosperous state. Haryana contributes a large amount of wheat and rice to our country. Haryana has made rapid strides in development of agricultural-based manufacturing industries such as cotton, sugar, processing and production of farm machinery. As per 2011, the literacy rate of this state is 76.64%. Saying this, Haryana, being a landlocked state, having one of the fastest growing city, Faridabad, is one of the leading contributors in technological field and also in the startup ecosystem. It is a state which is an ideal example for IT hub and prosperous industry in terms of agricultural.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We at Rudrapur have state-of-the-art campus and a full-fledged GTO ground. So every month we have 3 batches of 12-day SSB course. Apart from that, we have a 5-day GTO course and we also organize a PPDT overview for a very nominal charge. If you're interested to know more about any of these courses, make sure that you give us a call or drop us an email on the number and email ID which is appearing on your screen. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get the latest updates of the academy. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.